to my channel. Today's exciting. It's going to be a quick video. I'm quick filming this before heading to work, but I wanted to show you guys what I got at the Nordstrom anniversary sale and then what I popped in at a couple other stores and got too. So if you're not interested in the other stores, once I finish the Nordstrom anniversary sale, you can pop out of the video. However, I'd love for you to stay till the end and just see the other little things I got at a couple other stores. This is a big shopping trip that I do with my mother-in-law and a friend every year, and we're so excited to go together. It's about a 2.5-hour drive for us to go to Somerset Mall, which is a huge mall in the Detroit area of Michigan, and it is beautiful. So just want to quick show you what I got, and I will leave everything in the description bar below. I'll leave links if some of the stuff is still available, or if there's something similar, I'll leave a link to those items as well. So you can definitely get all the information down below. Obviously, the anniversary sale at Nordstrom is over. So sad, but I'm sure a lot of the stuff is still available, so make sure to check the description box below. And again, if you are new, my name is Vivian. I do all kinds of videos on fashion hauls, my subscription boxes, vlogs, all kinds of things, beauty tutorials. So if you guys love all things beauty, lifestyle, and fashion, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Thanks, guys. I did get a lot of basics at Nordstrom. I do try to hit that every year just to see what they have, and a few things. I'm not going to be modeling this, but I will be modeling some of the other things so you guys can see what I got. I think I found my favorite undies. Now don't laugh, these look like granny panties, but these are more for working out. So I like to wear panties under my leggings when I go to the gym. And a lot of times I have problems with creeping and things like that. I hate wearing thongs, so I will not. Seamless Panty by Chantel. These are the seamless and ultra comfort high waist brief. And yes, they look like a granny panty, but they're not that bad once you put them on. So here's what they look like. As you can see, they are truly seamless. And a lot of brands, like to boast that they're seamless, but they're really not. These really are. I have tried other styles of the Chantel same brand, like the bikini ones, and they definitely are seamless. But I definitely like these for going to the gym. I got them in black, and then I also got them in nude. But I also got these black ones, which are more of a hipster. They look similar to the high-rise ones, but they definitely sit a lot lower, and they're, again, seamless. So I got all of those. I also got, as part of my basics, some of these day bras. So I got them in black, I got it in nude, and then I also got it in gray. But what's really weird is I talked to the girl and she told me to get a size large. So I got larges in all three, but these gray ones look really, really huge. So I will be returning those to my local Nordstrom rack. These are your just super comfy bras that you could put on like after you get home from work. You just want to whip it off, but you're not quite ready to go braless. You can just put this on. It is super, super comfortable. Doesn't have any wires or anything like that. It also has the adjustable here where you can make it more of a racer back type of a bra, but just ultra comfortable. Great for hanging colors in a size large. Just for reference, I'm typically a 34C approximately. That's kind of been changing a lot lately too, but so I did get a large in these just for comfort's sake. So I'm really excited about wearing these and trying these out. I have tried them all on, obviously, and I just think they are just ultra comfortable. So those are my undergarments. Again, I will not be modeling those for you. I'm sure most of you don't want to see me in my bra and underwear. Although, if you've seen some of my swimsuit videos, I may as well be in my bra and underwear. But anyway, so let's move on. Like I said, I wanted to kind of do this quickly. My new favorite t-shirt right here. I'll have all the prices listed below because I don't remember all the prices on all of these things. Plus, now they're not on sale anymore. So these are all things I actually would have bought at full price. I don't think the full price on some of these things is that bad. But this is a BP t-shirt. I'm sure most of you have seen this or heard about it from other vloggers. This I got in a size medium. A little bit big, but it's not bad. I think it's pretty much true to size. It's not super long, but it's definitely long enough for me. It's a V-neck. I like to wear this with some sort of a bralette because you can kind of see it. It is kind of a wide V right there, as you can see. So, and it's kind of low. But I think it's super cute. It comes in a bazillion colors: blue, white, black, this mustardy type color, which I thought was really cute. I can just totally see wearing this with some black distressed jeans, a little black bralette. I think it would be really, really cute. So, loving this. Super ultra soft. It's kind of got like this distressed edge right here. and I am loving this one. So definitely one of my top picks. This is the Madewell tee. It's got a little bit of a opening right here on each side. It's got a little pocket right here. Really love this. Super soft, really nice. It's got a V. It's not quite as wide of an opening, so you can pretty much get away with wearing this with just a normal bra, or even just one of those little day bras would be great. So loving this. This one is a little bit pricier than the BP one, but honestly it's only a few bucks more. Really worth it. Again, comes I believe in 3 or 4 different colors, so really worth it for a basic tee. I think that Madewell is probably one of the best t-shirt brands that they can offer. So really comfortable. I got this one in a size medium. Okay, and then I also got this V-neck sweater with a little bit of a wide 3/4 sleeve. Love that. It's got a little bit of a high-low. I think this is just super versatile, super easy to wear. I love the like exterior stitching right there. Also be really cute again with a little bralette or a cami underneath, with some jeans and some little booties going into fall. I think this was only like 30 bucks. I really didn't have a good like all-purpose kind of like oatmeal-y, beigey colored V-neck sweater, so I was really happy to have found this sweet little thing. Okay, and the last clothing item I got at Nordstrom was this cardigan, which is the most ultra soft cardigan apart from the Barefoot Dreams brand, but this is super soft. This is from Leith. I love Leith. They have great quality clothing for a very affordable price. I got this cardigan in a size medium. I didn't want it to be too tight, but I could have gotten away with a small. I think it's just got great detail. It's kind of has some ribbing, and you can kind of fold over the neck like that or wear it more bunched up. So it's got some options. There's no button or anything, so you just would wear it open with like a little t-shirt and some jeans and booties for the fall. I think would be really cute. Maybe great for casual Fridays at the office. Little detail there in the sleeve. So just comfortable as heck. I just love this. I think I'm going to be wearing this all the time. Last couple items I got at Nordstrom were jewelry items. Unfortunately, neither one of these were on sale, and if I can find them, I will link them down below, and you guys could get them for the exact same price because they're not on sale. So the first thing I got was this super dainty little bracelet. I have no idea what this is called, but I think it was like 40, the price is not on here. It was like $40, 40, 50 bucks at the most. It was not super expensive, but it is gorgeous. It's just a super dainty black and gold bracelet. She told me that this would not tarnish, so I'm really excited about that. I just wanted something with a little bit of black in it. Like for instance with this outfit today, I think it would look really cute here in my stack. So I might just throw that on here after we get done filming this video. But I really like it. It's just super dainty and pretty. I again think I'll get a ton of use out of this little bracelet. I think it's really pretty. Okay, and the next thing I got was a silver choker. And again, I think this was 40 or 50 bucks. I don't spend a ton on my basic jewelry items that aren't, you know, real gold, real silver. But I do like it when they can last too. So it's kind of nice. But I got this choker. I have been looking for a silver choker that's just really dainty and pretty and simple, that I could wear to work, that I could wear out, that I could layer. And I think this is just the perfect item. I just love it. I love how it looks. There's a ton of different lengths that you can choose to wear it, so you don't have to wear it so tight up against the neck, but I just think it is just a super pretty and cute option. Again, be great for layering. So just really love this super dainty and pretty choker. And I also got at the anniversary sale one pair of shoes. Can't go to the anniversary sale without just grabbing one pair of shoes, of course. So these are super popular. I'm sure you guys have seen them, but it's the little booty from Vince Camuto. I think I'm going to be wearing these like every day come fall. Probably not so much in the winter. I won't wear them with socks because they have such a low cut here, or maybe if I do like no-show type sock would be great, but I just think they're perfect. It doesn't have too much of a heel, but a little one, and then it's like a suede material, which is just ultra super soft. The detail here with that like leather banding, stitching, whatever you want to call it, is just gorgeous. I think these are the perfect booty come fall. I think most people have bought these booties during the sale because they're just so cute, and with that unique detailing are just a perfect booty. So let me know what you guys think. First of all, I popped into J.Crew and they didn't have a whole lot, so all I picked up from J.Crew were these little hair ties, and I've heard that these are just the ultimate hair tie, so that your hair doesn't snag or grab or tear or break. So I haven't tried them yet. I'm really excited to give them a shot. I'm sure you can get these at Target or anywhere else for super cheap, but they were on sale at J.Crew. I think I paid $5 or $6 for these for a stack of 3. So I'm really excited about trying those, and if they don't snag my hair and tear it apart, I'm going to be wearing the heck out of these. So let me know if you guys have tried these and what you think, and if they are definitely worth having or buying more of. I wouldn't mind having these in like a black or a brown color, obviously because of my hair color, but I think that'd be kind of fun just to have it in a couple different colors as well. Okay, this was a really fun purchase for me. I popped into Anthropologie and I saw this lovely little plate. I know you guys are like, what? She bought a plate? What is that? But this one just is really sentimental to me and means a lot, and you guys will see why in 1 second. But it's just a really pretty ceramic plate. I think this was only about $14. I plan on hanging this up on the wall somewhere in the house. So I just think it's super cute, and here it is. It's so cute. It looks like Claude when he was younger. Obviously right now he's not looking too great. He's almost 14 years old. He's lost most of his hair. He's wearing a diaper. He's got one eye and he can't hear. So not quite looking his best, but he is still kicking. Anyway, I just think this is just so sentimental and just so lovely and cute and modern and pretty. I can't wait to hang this up on the wall and show him off. So I think he's super cute. Obviously, if you guys are new to my channel, I love French bulldogs. In other words, that's why it's Frenchie FunFinds. So definitely name my channel after them. My whole life revolves around my 2 bulldogs. So I just love them to death. And this was so appropriate and so cute. And you know, we don't know how much longer Claude's going to be around. So this holds a lot of sentimental value for me. So it's so cute. Okay, last but not least, I popped into Aritzia. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the store, but I love it. I think it really kind of gears more towards the younger crowd, maybe the 20-somethings. But I think us 40-somethings could definitely find something there. They've got really cute stuff. They've got nice things that you could wear to the office too. So it's a lot of like young sweatpants, leggings, you know, sweatshirts, that sort of thing. But then it has some really pretty blouses and skirts and things like that. So if you haven't checked out Aritzia, you can even go online and check them out. I would definitely do that. I only bought one item, and they are basically just a pair of camo leggings to wear to the gym. I have some other camo leggings, but they're not really nice enough that I'd wear to the gym. These right here are kind of more like the gray tone legging, have the unfinished hem down below. Love, love, love these. I did get them in the size medium. They're called the mid-rise skinny regular customizable TNA equator legging. So made with soft jersey for all day, every day. So definitely you could wear these around the house. Have a wider band here, which kind of helps keep everything locked and loaded. So really, really love these. Let me know what you guys think. I will be trying these on again here right here next to me, but they are super comfortable, super versatile. I think I'll get a ton of use out of these. I do have probably 2 or 3 other pair of TNA leggings that I love. They've really stood the test of time, multiple washings. So I think these are a really good brand from the Aritzia store. Hey guys, I think that is everything from my shopping haul, my Nordstrom anniversary sale haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought of some of these items. I love reading your comments. Thank you so much. And again, if you are new and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button below. Would love it. Thank you so much guys for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.